Hello everyone! In Ashcans Portfolio Prep classes, we often have our students make work in a series that are to be used as one piece for their portfolio. A common word in art is the word triptych, which was the popular standard format for altar paintings from the Middle Ages and onward. A polyptych is a painting which is divided into sections or panels. Triptych is a three-part work, and a polyptych has more. Here are some Ashcan Studio student examples where they make a series of paintings, drawings, designs, or sculptures that were used together. This is a good trick to remember if you have one piece that alone is good enough for your portfolio, but not great. You can make other pieces inspired by that one, or turn that one into a narrative where each piece can serve to tell one part of the story. Here we see a self-portrait triptych where the student used collage. This is a triptych using different mediums for each of the three pieces of sculptures that they made out of food. A mixed media self-portrait made on a plate in the shape and color of an egg and other breakfast foods. A sculptural letter egg made out of hair and then meat and then pins. This one is abstract. A series of bug collages. Here are 4 pen drawings where the skull in each city setting ties them all together. This series is about animals and the fashion products that they're used for. Again, 3 that are more abstract. A self-portrait about feeling forced polite expressions. 4 different takes on the widely known image of Dorothy on the yellow brick road. A series can also be based on abstract and/or structural designs that can then be made 3-dimensionally. This one is a strongly narrative piece similar to sequential art that we see in comics and illustrations. Even elements that have meaning to you can be great. Imagery that seems to have no correlation to one another together can be fascinating and mysterious. Here are 2 examples of fun ways to use your pet in a narrative series. We hope that seeing these examples inspires you to make your own series of work to put together as one piece for your art portfolio. At Ashcan, we have a lot of classes that can help you make your art portfolio, and with all of our classes online now, you can join us from wherever you are.